Guys, so we're at Kekuli Cafe with Elijah Max Sterling, and he's going to show us how to make Bannock, which is at the heart of his Kekuli restaurant franchise. How many do you manage? Just the Merritt and Kamloops right now?
Just Merritt and Kamloops. Yeah.
Merritt and Kamloops.
Yeah. It's funny because someone one time said that our Bannock is great, but we use machines to make it, so it's not the same.
Oh.
I mean, I think that was a great compliment because, as you can tell, there's no machines.
There are no machines.
It's just us. We make it
so
all.
So far, what have we done? We've mixed the ingredients. We've mixed in 1-to-1 hot water to the flour yeast.
Yeah,
A little bit of sugar.
So we pre-mix all of the ingredients, like the flour, the sugar, the salt, and stuff.
Okay.
And so I just flatten it out here. And then I do this before I portion it. And again, for consistency, we use scoops to portion. So here, this is gonna be like really fast. I don't know. Can you see it down here?
Okay, go for it.
So we just create like little dough balls, and this is so that way like you're not getting small ones, you're not getting like excessively large, thick ones. This is how we like maintain the consistency between all the stores. Just with a scoop.
It's like you've done this a few million times.
Yeah. What I do is I pick it up, like, the trick is to not claw it, but rather to like gently pick it up. So, yeah, so if you claw it, I will show you a second. If I pick it up like this, and when I place it down, you can see it deform.
Right, okay.
And so, compared to if you're gently picking it up, right?
Very nice.
So, I probably made that look really easy, but... So what I like to do, I don't know, people think it's not. They're like, how did you do that? So if you pick like one of these up, I usually just go like this.
Oh my god, it's not easy at all. It's sticky. Wait. Why is this difficult?
I don't know. It's funny. Yeah, a lot of people think it looks easy, and then until they try it.
This isn't easy.
So then what I do is I just like use my palms, and I just kind of like give it a rounded shape.
Oh.
Yeah, but
that's
then I
nice.
rotate it, and then that's how it gets like its water shape.
Good.
Okay,
I
like
like
this,
it.
and I'll get all like the flour out of there. So